I thought I'd show you a little bit about sharing files. So, this is a Google drawing from the internet, and you'll see up here that it says that anybody with the link can access and that no sign in is required. And over here it says that it is view only. Well, I'm going to make a copy of this for myself. I'm going to put it into a folder so that I know where it is. So now that I've done that, this is my own copy. You'll see that it is locked and that nobody can see it. If I want to share that with somebody, I can share it with just people in my school board. Right now, they can only view it, and a little school appears up here. Or I can change this and share it so that anybody on the internet can see it. And there's a view there so they can view it and they can make a copy for themselves. I can also change this to editing or commenting. So I'm going to leave it on view because I'm going to do a forced copy. So now it says there's a person with a little link and it says anybody on the internet can see it. So let me grab a copy of that. If I want to do a forced copy, I just take that link and then I can see this first backslash here. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go all the way back to there and I'm going to type the word copy. So now when I do that, this link right here, when I click on it, will do a forced copy and give you a copy of it without you ever having access to the original one. That's a little bit about sharing.